Welcome to our channel. Today, I'll guide you through the process of downloading Plants vs. Zombies on your PC. But before we continue, check the description for links to gaming mouse and keyboard options if you're interested. Now, let's get started. First, ensure that you have Steam installed on your PC. Steam is a widely used platform that offers a huge variety of games. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to the official Steam website. In the top right corner, click Install Steam and follow the instructions to set it up. Once Steam is installed, open it up. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one by selecting Create a Free Account and entering your email and a secure password. After logging in, find the search bar in the top right corner and type in Plants vs. Zombies. The game should appear in the results. Click on the game title to view its store page for additional details. To purchase the game, simply click the green Add to Cart button. Once you've completed the purchase, go to the Library tab at the top of Steam. You'll see Plants vs. Zombies in your games list. Click on it to open the games page, and then press Install. A prompt will appear asking where you'd like to install the game. Choose your location and hit Next. The game will start downloading automatically. After the download finishes, the Play button will appear in your library. Click it to launch Plants vs. Zombies and start playing. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye-bye.